fired, shots fired, shots fired. Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground!
All right, he's unarmed.
No, he's still got knives.
Get on the ground now!
On the ground! Get down on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get down on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! On the ground! You got lots of ways out, brother. This ain't the end, man. It's just, come on now. We're in this thing together. Come on now. Now, he just stole a squad car. He just stole a squad. He's northbound on 51 in the southbound lanes and a marked squad unit.
Everyone's gonna swipe this car, yes. Make sure that you shoot downtown over at 51. That's on call.
He pointed the shotgun out. Yeah, he pointed the shotgun out to the driver's side when he went past me.
If you have this, that was our 1 or 2 now. Well, let's come in and turn around. Turn out just right there. Right close.
Damn!
About 93.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
On May 3rd, 2025, deputies from the Macon County Sheriff's Office and an officer from the Decatur Park Police responded to a 911 call in Macon, Illinois. The call reported a man threatening people at a gas station with a machete. The suspect, 38-year-old Oscar McCurry, entered a police vehicle at the scene and drove it into another squad car. He then exited the stolen vehicle, armed with a shotgun. Officers fired their weapons in response, but continued attempting to de-escalate the situation. After about 20 minutes of negotiations, McCurry was safely taken into custody. He sustained injuries and was transported to a hospital. One officer was also injured, but released the same day. McCurry is currently in custody at the Macon County Jail. No charges were filed against the officers involved. This incident once again highlights how dangerous and challenging a police officer's job can be. Yet it is a duty that must be carried out. Thank you for your service.
on, let's go. Come on, come on. Come on, Albert, get up here. Come on. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground.
He's unarmed.
No, he's still got knives.
Get on the ground now.
On the ground.
I'm dead. Jimmy.
Get down on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get down on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground right now. On the ground.
Macon, start ambulance. I got an officer.
On the ground right now. On the ground.
Thank you for watching until the end. I truly appreciate every like, comment, and especially your subscriptions to the channel. It really helps and keeps me motivated to keep going. Thanks again for your support, and see you in the next episode.